Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your settings. So from above, you just need to swipe down and just click on the settings at the top right corner. From here, you want to look for apps. And under apps, you want to go to manage apps. Here, you just need to search for TikTok. So you have the search bar here, just use it. And here, just choose TikTok. And here, just click on the clear data or uninstall. So for this example, we're just going to clear our data. And just click on clear all data. So once you've cleared all your data, you want to go to Play Store and just type in TikTok. And here, you want to update your TikTok if you haven't updated your TikTok yet. And once you've updated your TikTok, just open up TikTok and create a new post. So just click on the plus button at the middle section of your video. And here, just choose the upload button. And here, you want to go to photos and just choose the photos that you want to use. So just click on next. And now the video or photo mode option should be available to you. If this feature is not available in your account yet, there's a possibility that TikTok is currently rolling this feature out slowly on your country, because TikTok likes to test the features first before actually rolling out it to everybody. So you just need to wait for this feature to be available to you. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.